Wow, I found this YouTube channel. And do you believe it? This YouTube channel, in just about 3 months, has uploaded around 54 videos and already surpassed 100,000 subscribers, with views reaching approximately 42 million. They are also earning a nice additional income. You can do this too. Take a look at this YouTube channel and check out the videos they've uploaded. The content is really unique, don't you think? It's not as difficult as it seems. It's just a matter of following a few simple steps. So, let's stick together and follow the video process to get started.
Who are you? Not the name you were given, not the role you play, not the mask you wear for the world. Carl Jung once said, "Life really begins when you have found yourself." But what does it mean to find yourself? And why do so many spend their lives lost in the illusion of who they think they are? From the moment we are born, society hands us a mask, a persona, a carefully constructed identity made of expectations, fears, and the desire to be accepted. But behind this mask lurks the shadow. The repressed parts of us we hide, deny, or fear. Everything we were told was wrong or unacceptable gets buried deep in the unconscious, until it begins to control us from within. Finding yourself is not about becoming someone new. It is about removing the layers that were never truly you.
In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a video in 4 steps. Let's begin with the first step. The first step is to generate our images and create the frames. For this, I'll be using a well-known website that's free for everyone to use, ChatGPT. You just need to go to Google and search for ChatGPT. After clicking on the first link, sign in. Once you've signed in, you can use the prompt I'll provide, which will be in the description. After entering that, ChatGPT will generate beautiful frames for us, allowing us to generate our images. Now, we need to generate beautiful images using these frames. The software I use is called Piclum. You can search for it on Google. And after signing in, you'll be able to see the homepage. After that, click on the Generate Free option. Once you're on the homepage, you'll be able to generate any images you have in mind. One more thing to mention, on this website, you can see that we are using the free subscription. If you want, you can upgrade it as well. It's quite affordable and gives us access to a lot of features. If you prefer, you can easily proceed by clicking on the Create button. After that, paste the font we generated here, and then select the ratio on the right side, choose the 5:10 option, and click the dark colored button. Afterward, you will be able to see the beautifully generated image. Generate all these images. Alright, we need a voiceover for this. To easily do this, you need to go to ChatGPT and give it the format. After that, it will provide you with a beautiful script which you can use for the voiceover narration. Personally, I use a website called Eleven Labs. After signing in, you will receive free credits, and when you come to this website, click on Text to Speech. Then paste the first narration from the generated format here. Select the voice you like and generate it. After that, you can generate the voiceover for all the other narrations as well. Now, for the editing part, I'm using CapCut for this. You can use any tool you prefer. After generating the images and voiceover, import everything into CapCut. Once you have it in the editor, you can arrange everything as you like. After that, add animations to each image, and make sure everything flows smoothly. Then, go to the Effects section and choose an effect that you like, and apply it. After applying the effects, add your preferred background music, and then export the final video. Now, you can upload it to your YouTube channel. What do you think about today's video? Please leave a comment.